Welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss the risks associated with an excessive focus on time analysis at work. While this tool can improve productivity and efficiency, its disproportionate use can lead to pressure, over-control, and negatively affect organizational culture. The image illustrates the main challenges of time analysis, such as increased stress, loss of autonomy, and deterioration of work quality. If you are looking to maximize efficiency without compromising the well-being of your employees, stay until the end of the video. The constant pressure to improve productivity can lead to increased stress and anxiety. When every minute is monitored, employees can experience stress levels that affect their mental health. For example, at one consulting firm, employees reported high levels of anxiety due to pressure to meet billable hour goals. The consequences were increased absenteeism, turnover, and decreased motivation. Focus on quantity over quality. An overemphasis on speed can compromise the quality of work. For example, a customer service team that prioritized reducing average call time reduced its level of customer satisfaction due to rushed responses. The consequences were a loss of customers and the deterioration of the company's reputation. A sense of constant evaluation and loss of autonomy. Employees may feel that management does not trust them if their time is under constant supervision. For example, in one technology startup, developers felt that their creativity was limited due to the use of tracking software. The resulting consequences can be reduced innovation and proactivity. The feeling of over-control and surveillance can generate a perception of surveillance that affects the work climate. Excessive monitoring can create an atmosphere of tension among employees. For example, a call center where every break was monitored reported an increase in employee turnover. The consequences can be a deterioration of the work environment and loss of talent. A culture of micromanagement. Excessive control can stifle creativity and limit employees' ability to make decisions. For example, in one logistics company, employees avoided coming up with new ideas due to the perception that every deviation from predefined tasks was challenged. A decrease in commitment and job satisfaction. Employees may become emotionally disconnected from their tasks if they perceive an environment of excessive control. For example, one sales team reported a decrease in motivation when they felt that the company prioritized control over results. Negative effects on organizational culture can be the focus on the short term over long-term development. Prioritization of immediate productivity can neglect investment in training and professional development. For example, a manufacturing company that reduced training time experienced a decline in product quality. The consequences can be limitations in the ability to adapt to new technologies. Difficulties in fostering collaboration. Pressure to maximize time may discourage informal brainstorming meetings, essential for innovation. Time analysis is a powerful tool, but it must be used with balance so as not to sacrifice employee motivation and engagement. Creating an environment that combines efficiency with autonomy and professional development is key to sustainable success. If you want to implement time analysis strategies that balance productivity and well-being, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll design a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.